There's the babies.
They say that there is no coincidence.
Hey, little babies.
That shot up after we entered the nuclear era.
Hey, little babies.
From an alien perspective, mankind had come of age.
Hey. Little babies. Come here, tiny little babies.
That soon these idiot persons would be able to go
Hey.
out there and
Hey.
them with nuclear technology.
Better get over here.
It's claimed that in the 1980s,
What you doing?
strategic nuclear weapons were secretly housed at US bases in Britain, including the 2 military bases on the edge of Rendlesham Forest.
Hey, Marshmallow
But
Man.
it's never been confirmed.
Hey, Marshmallow.
Believers claim
Little babies.
that the UFO had come to spy on these
Here, get up there.
nations.
Get up there. Up. Get you up and then you jump off.
Colonel Holt states that the UFO shone a beam onto the hangar where the nukes were allegedly stored.
Come here, baby. Come here,
When
baby.
you've got nuclear weapons, I would think aliens would
Come here, Gracie.
going on.
Little Gracie, come on.
The conspiracy theorists point to the fact that the US military kept the Rendlesham Forest incident under wraps for over 2
Baby.
years.
Good boy. Are you peeing on the pad?
Encounter only hit
Are you
the
peeing on the
headlines
pad?
in
Oh, right. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that.
became the subject
That's what I call a good dog. Wonder how long you'll keep up with that. Hey, Marshmallow boy. Marshmallow.
Skeptics claim that the Rendlesham incident was no
Tiny baby right there.
They say there is a simple explanation for the strange lights. A lighthouse, specifically Orford Nest Lighthouse.
Go get him. Go
on
get him.
the coast a few miles from the forest.
This is Gracie. She's the only one that's been sold so far. All these guys are still available. The white one's a boy, and the other 2 are girls.
The lighthouse
Very
flashed
healthy.
every 5 seconds. A fact skeptics say proves there was no UFO.
You play Colonel Holt's recording.
They get all their shots
You can actually time it against the flashes. There you go.
here with me.
Now, he
Up
did
to date
describe
anyway,
in his
in
testimony
wormings,
seeing
de-wormings.
a UFO and a lighthouse. He described seeing the UFO.
Babies.
And the lighthouse at any point in that recording. So him saying years later he couldn't possibly have got
Okay,
the two mixed
here
up.
comes
So
Gracie.
it's just not cool. And
That one's the tiniest little baby right there. Those spots on her back, she has a perfect one on each side. And a little ring around her tail. They look no bigger than the end of my pinky finger when she was born. I called her Freckles.
His close encounter with the craft and the drug-fueled cover-up. Because these key revelations
Okay.
were reported by Penniston years
Here
after
comes
the
Gracie.
None of that was mentioned in 1981. The right way of looking at it is to say those people.
Hey, sugar boogers.
Let's see your evidence. Where is your evidence?
Or should I call you pooper troopers?
And those
Pooper troopers.
bigger and bigger and bigger and more elaborate every year.
Say goodbye. No, say goodbye yet?
Skeptics believe there was another reason for the military covering
Little
up
babies.
the alleged encounter. If nuclear weapons
They'll be
were
tired and wore out from
secretly
playing
places,
like this.
the authorities would have been keen to
Huh.
hush on any incident
Yeah.
that cast doubt on the security and integrity of the base operations.
Oh my, who's that up there? Hi, I see somebody peeking out. Abel, what are you doing? Oh, I think you're full of bull caca. Caca.
Whether or not the US
Caca.
military to hide all these secrets remains
Okay, puppy, say goodbye. We have other babies, a different kind of baby coming down the steps.
the military had been secretly studying
He'll squash you. Say bye.